Welcome back everyone to another exciting episode on Feature Bundle for Jira Service Management. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of feature bundles, exploring how they can supercharge your service management experience. Whether you are a seasoned Jira user or just getting started, this video will give you valuable insights into leveraging feature bundles effectively. So let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's quickly cover what feature bundles are and why they matter. So first point is self-service approach, which enables customer to modify and enhance their request directly on Service Desk portal. It will also allow adjustments to fields according to preferences, including utilizing insights, create transition screen that facilitate customer support interactions. Next is communications and transparency. This will ensure customers are consistently well informed by customizing the Jira Service portal. It incorporates dynamic portal announcements to effectively share information with the relevant users. This will also define conditions for displaying banners, including color customizations. Next is workflow visibility. This will prevent oversight by customizing the Jira Service portal to display the workflow progress steps. It indicates the current stage of the request, providing insights into the remaining actions. Utilize custom fields to display supplementary fields value directly on request. In short, this will empower customers by allowing them to modify requests, improve communications through dynamic portal announcements, and enhance workflow visibility on the service portal. Now, to install this add-on, simply we have to navigate into the app sections. From here, once you will click on explore map, more apps, you'll find new apps options are available. Simply search for feature bundle. Once we'll enter this text, you will find it out this add-on is available. You can see I've already added in my instance. However, if you want to add it, simply open this apps, and from this page, you will get options right for free. If you want to purchase it, see all those details, and based on your requirement, you can add within your instance. Let's understand the security policies. As of now, this app is a part of Marketplace bug bounty program. However, the if you want to learn more about security information about this app, you can visit this, this link where you will get all those informations related to this add-on. You can also see the review about this app. Whoever customer is using, they can see this review is added. So based on that, you can make a decisions. And even as a part of security, you can see cloud security participants here. And this app is built by AppsView, where if you want to reach out to them, simply either email through or you can connect with them via their website. So these are the add-ons which is built by AppsView, where if you want to try it any other apps, you can see it from their marketplace. Now, once installation is done, navigate it to the configurations page. So first, we'll see the features, which all features the bundle is providing. So if we want to talk about the features level, here we have one feature as announcement banner. So we'll see one by one each of the feature, and based on that we'll create or see how we can utilize it in real life. So first is announcement banner, second is display workflow and field value, third is edit request by customer, and finally we can also have field request. So we'll go one by one. So first, for the announcement banner, simply navigate into the app sections, and from here, from setting apps, you'll get banners. Now we have to either create or configure the new announcement banner. I've already created. Let me show you the process how we can add it. So if you want to see the detail about this panel, simply click on this or hide it based on that. If you want to add it or modify or create duplicate of this banner, you can also do it. Even we can enable or disable this banner. So let me add it the sections. Whenever you are creating new announcement banner, you will get this options where you have to specify the banner name. Select all those pages where you want to display this banner detail. After that, you can select customer portal or request form. So I've selected here both. Click on next, schedule. Either you can schedule based on individual dates, conditions, or schedule as per your priority like daily, days per week, or days per month. As of now, I'm keeping all those time. Click next and visible for all. So here I've selected all those users, but even we can set it up limited set of people. Next is design phase. In design phase, we'll get two options, either classic editor or with HTML. To make this attractive here, I built one of the HTML page where I wanted to display some informations of server is SAP service down for next 24 hours. So here you can see this is my message which will be visible on the portal. However, this is for making this page interactive. Now, once this is done, I will click next and here we can see the summary and this banner will be available. Now, let's understand the use case. Once I will publish, this will be populated on all the pages where I've selected. Now, as part of use case, let's say our server is down and we want to inform to the user of the server. So either I have to drop an email which might be missed by some of the user because of the email trail. So it's better idea to announce this informations on any applications where people are frequently using. So here we have targeted on Atlassian or Jira Service Management Portal where users are using on this regular basis. Based on that, this announcement banner will be published. So simply I will navigate it to the sections and click on channel, and from here I will be able to click on customer portal, and from the sections I can see this announcement banner will be populated successfully. So this is how in wherever we want to showcase the informations, I will be able to populate it based on my selections. This banner will be populated on all those pages wherever I have added. Even in the request sections, if I want to see, let me see this is available or not. You can see even on request portal, this is visible. On the detail page, we can also set this panel is available. Now, next options or next feature, let's explore that. I'm closing this. So here, let's navigate into the project setting, and from the project setting, let's navigate it to the request, edit request. Now, let's understand first what is edit request. Let's say I've created here one of the request which is common or maybe applications. Or let me see, put a fix on account problem. So here I have to navigate it to the accounts. Yes. Now fix an account problem. Let's say I have created one request which is showing create account for new onboarding. So I've added here the summary. After the summary, I can see here we have to define the descriptions. Let's say I provided the name of the user and forget to add the employee ID. So I'm adding here Deepak, Ra, and employee ID text I've added here. However, I forgot to mention their ID. So in that case, let's see, I've sent this request, and here for request type, we have to select the different options. So as of now, I want who can edit the request. Simply we have to specify it from here. So either reporter, request participant, and organizations. Other than that, we also have some other settings like when the request can be edited, how many times we can specify it, and maximum number of edits applies to user or the request. So as of now, I'm keeping this field default. However, I want to just update the descriptions field, but we can also update these other fields which is available. Now I'm just keeping description page to be edited and click on save. Now, if you can see here, we have added this request, which is in this sections, which is fixed and account problems. Now, if I want to add this informations and I don't have this feature bundle available, I won't be able to do it. In that case, simply I have to install feature bundle, and from there we can edit this request, and you can see here only descriptions will be updated. So here I will add 1 2 3 4 5 as a description and click on save. Now this will be saved successfully where we have entered this informations, and now you can see this informations is updated successfully. So now next option or next feature will be request steps. So request step is exactly similar way here in this sections. This is the request step. If we don't have the feature bundle available, we won't be able to see this request step. So in that case, how we can configure it? So for configuring request step, exactly similar way, we have to navigate into the project settings, and from there we can modify the request step. Whichever request steps we are defining, we have to select it. Let's say I want to define steps name as VPN, and here we have to select multiple fields. Let's say I'm selecting multiple fields and step name, approval, awaiting, and here again I am selecting multiple steps. So here if I will save this, exactly same informations will be populated here. Earlier this information is populated with step name and VPN and step name with the approval awaiting. Now whichever fields are updated here, same fields will be available in this sections. So now you can see these are the steps updated. However, if the feature bundle is not available within service management or Jira service management tool, we won't be able to see these sections. Now let's start with fourth options, which is field value on request. Again, for modifying this field value on request, simply navigate into the project setting, and from there we can modify it. First, we have to toggle this tab to enable it, and from here we have to select the fix and account problem. Any sections we can select it. Based on your selections, such will be available on each of the pages. Now, next options, I want to attach the resolution. Now, if you can see in this request, we don't have resolution fields are available. We'll add some more fields like assigning, again with impact, and finally fixed version. Now, I wanted to showcase these fields. So I will select this and save this. After that, I will refresh this page and we can see this option is simply available. So this will take few seconds to be updated. And here we can have, here let me add resolution fields. Impact we have added. Fixed participants, priority, reporter, assigning. Let me assign it to myself. Then I cannot have this fields enabled. So here will affected versions, we will update it to affected versions. So instead of fixed versions, let's add affected. We don't have this. Impact, we have added assigning, and event will remove this. Click on save. Now in that case, let me update this fields from here, and now in this field should have impact and the assigning. Let me refresh this page, and here we'll have those fields populated. Now you can see whichever informations will upload to the portals, we will be able to see these fields are available if we have the value. So exactly similarly, we can also request fields by using feature bundle or feature bundle, which is built by AppsView, where we can utilize to enhance our Jira Service management experience. Now, to wrap up, creating an engaging and informative service desk portal with Jira Service Management is all about giving customer control, transparent communications, and comprehensive visibility. Now, ready to revolutionize your customer support experience? Start implementing these strategies today and take your Jira Service Management portal to the next level. That concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. As always, drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. If you think so, this add-on is most valuable for you, add your comments in the comment sections. Thanks for joining, and I will catch you in the next video.